Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed and this is my investment journey in eToro. I chose eToro for my investment because it has all the buckets in one basket. You can trade all over the world, you can trade all sorts of things you want, and it makes very interesting to be able to connect to another human being through the social platform that they created. My investment strategy in a nutshell is to make things simple using math. So I use quantum data analysis and mathematics in my strategies. So the hardest part in investment journey is making it easy. You think you have to make it hard, but it's actually to accept that investment is when it's easy for you, it becomes clear and you can see the profits. So don't complicate the stuff, make it easy that you understand and not to be in an emotional roller coaster. So the milestone that proved to me that eToro is the best platform is when I started to receive messages from other people that my profit made them certain amount this month or certain percentage this month, and I had only focused on myself, but I didn't know that by focusing on myself to be better, I am helping everyone else. The most valuable lesson I've learned on the first year I was in eToro, I saw all the hype following certain stocks, following certain cryptocurrency, and I learned the best advice is don't listen to everyone. Don't listen to all the noises. Narrow your focus on what you know. How do I adapt to the change of the market? I give the market the leadership of leading and I follow. What I mean by that, I'm not right, the market is always right. I choose a specific stocks that I always trade, I don't change, they are 10. And I've done the 5-year data on them through all the circumstances of Corona or anything that could affect that stock. Why would someone copy me and follow me? In life, I would say don't, because we're all lost in life. But in investment, my strategy is on quantum data mathematics. That means everything, every year, every day, every month, through the past 5 years has been documented through a selected stocks. Through everything that goes, I know how to treat that stock in the ups and the downs, and it's always profitable. I'm not saying out of analysis, I'm saying out of mathematical proven data.